Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, long time no talk, but today I have some very exciting news and I'm going to be showcasing that through this package that I've received. As you guys can see, I have a planner package or a package from Goals AF. I am now a brand ambassador for this company. My other memberships or PR memberships with the two other companies that you heard me mention on this channel have since expired, and I am now a brand ambassador for Goals AF. They reached out to me a couple weeks ago. I've been working with a wonderful person named Kia, and they brought me on board, so I'm really excited about that. Their style and their company is all about minimalism, luxury, and just planning, functional planning, and that's where I am right now in my planning journey. That's probably why you guys haven't been seeing my plan with me videos with those extensive sticker kits in my Erin Condren. But let's go ahead and jump into this. Also, before I forget, my code for this company is Olivia 10. I'll have all the information down below, but hi to everyone. Hi to all my new followers. Hi to all of my new, I'm not new, but not followers, my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. So let's go ahead and jump into this package. So first things first, it looks like it's a thank you card. I can tell by the shadowing there. This is a business card, I believe. Yes, with the owner's name on the front, and it just has like their website and their probably like the customer service email, and it just says, well, we're minimal and chic meat. And it just says Goals AF, and I love the detailing on this business card. It's a very big business card. So I do want to just say thank you to Goals AF for reaching out to me. I did have a time in my planning where I wasn't PRing or doing anything for anybody, but I'm really excited to be on this team. So I'm really, really thankful for the opportunity. And I just want to peek at this thank you card. And it just says hi, and they're welcoming to the brand ambassador team. So thank you again. And thank you to Kia, who I was working with, like I said. So this packaging here, let's talk about this. Very, very nice. We just have this sticker here that says, what's on your agenda? I'm gonna try and salvage this sticker if I can. But yeah, guys, I've been really busy, been really dedicated to just all my free time to my little. So that's why you guys haven't seen me on here, but you guys know that. And I will talk more about where I've been and what's been going on with my family in a different video. But just wanted to kind of put that out there that I didn't forget about you guys. So open this up. Oh boy. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. Okay. So this it's like a little journaling card that says, what's your agenda? And it has Goals AF on the bottom. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at this little notebook, and it has an O on it, you guys. You guys, I am shook right now. This is so nice. It's so chic. Oh my God. I'm kind of into gold. I've kind of been getting into it, especially because my Louis Vuitton planners have gold hardware on it. So I've been kind of just loving it, or at least getting there. But wow, this is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a blind emboss O. My name's Olivia. And it just has this, basically like this notebook belongs to, so you can write in there what it belongs to. And look at oh my God, this paper. So it just says Goals AF on the bottom of the pages. And wow, this is a nice hefty notebook, okay? And then there's a pocket on the back here. Wow, this is really nice. And also you guys I'm sure you guys can see that, but there is a little like bookmark to mark your spot. Wow, I did not expect that. I have to say this is really cute. Something to just pop in my my purse. Yes. Okay. And we got a little key ring or a keychain, and that says Goals AF on it. This hardware is bomb. Again, I can put this on my keys, or I can put this on my purse. Wow, I like that. And it's very thick. Very, very thick. You guys are gonna hear baby coos in the back. Sorry, that's my life now. Oh wow, and then look at here. So I am shook right now. Let me get all this stuff out because I don't, okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, so I got, oh my goodness, the girth on these things. Sorry if that's in the way. Wow. Okay, so this pen is freaking serious. This is like an executive looking pen. So on the pen clip here, it says Goals AF. Same thing on this guy. I love this rose gold, but I love this gold even more because it's gonna go really well with my purse. Let's do a pen test. Wow. Oh my, and it's gel. I like that. It's a very weighted pen. I like how it feels in my hand. And then this guy, oh, I unscrewed it a little bit. And same thing. So it's like the same little gel, but this one obviously is aesthetically different. Very pleasing. They're both very heavy. I like them. Woo. Okay. So it looks like we got some dashboards here and a weekly insert. This looks like this is for A6 size. So you know what that means. I'm gonna have to give me an A6 planner. Let's take a peek at these dashboards here. Very, very cute. Okay, let's see. So here we have minimal. Ooh, these are on vellum too, and the vellum is very thick. Can you guys hear that? Can you guys tell? So this one says have less, do more, and this one just says minimal. And then you see the Goals AF on the bottom there. Awesome. Those are really cute. I love a good heavy vellum. I'm trying to slide those back in. Yeah. I'm really thankful that they reached out, you know. I'm glad that companies can tell the style that I'm going for. Uh-oh, you guys. These are A5. I'm sorry, I know I just skipped over this. I can tell these are A5. So hold 1 second. Yes, they're A5. Yep, that's A5 for you. So these are A5 note pages. As you guys can see, it says notes on the side. Goals AF on the, right here near the binder or the page holes. You guys know what I'm trying to say. I'm losing my mind. I don't think, after my pregnancy, I don't think my brain is ever gonna come back. Ooh, okay. I like the thickness of this paper and their front and back. I'm loving that. I needed more note pages in my planner. I've been jotting a lot of stuff down, planning a bunch of different stuff that I got going on. And like I said, I'll update you guys soon on what's going on in my life and what's going on with business and things like that. Got a new job too. So, all right. I'm just trying to sneak these back in here. I like the, uh-oh. Oh no, my bad. That was such a rookie mistake. I like these though. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put these back later. So I don't wanna rip them anymore. And let's take a peek at these A6. Ooh, I'm trying to salvage these stickers. Their cellophane bags are, I like the quality of them too. They're not like the typical, like the ones that you feel like would just split at the seams that basically every sticker shop uses. So these are weekly agenda inserts. Oh, I like that layout. It's very similar to the layout that I have in my A5 right now. So as you guys can see at the top, it just says the weekly recap. It says week of, so you can put the date there. And then you have memo lines and you can put completed task. Oh, you guys, I'm totally reading these wrong. Hello. It's a week on 2 pages basically, because you have the week on 1, but then this all kind of correlates. So you have a spot for the week's task, some notes. You have more notes and memo space. You can put completed task and incomplete task. And then a little spot for next week. Oh, I really like this layout. I'm gonna have to see if they got these in A5 because that really, really works for me. I like those. So yeah, like I said, This looks like this is for a different size agenda that I do not own right now, but you know what that means. Gotta try something new. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys and kind of introduce. I know that being away from my channel is a bit difficult. I do have people message me and ask me questions about stuff, and I try to get to it as quickly as I can. But like I said, having a new baby, it's just a little bit, you know, it's been a little bit difficult for me to find a balance. And right now, like, my balance is, you know, with my son. But I just wanted to come back on and tell you guys that I am going to be bringing some more content, especially because I'm part of this wonderful team. So let me stick these back in here. So you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, like I said, my code is Olivia 10. Pretty easy code. And you guys know I wanted to come out. If I was gonna come back, which I was gonna always come back, but I wanted to come back with something fun and something new and exciting. I think that, like I said, I'm really excited that the company reached out to me because I am more on a minimal side. And as you guys seen, when I first started this channel, I was more on the decorative, in the decorative realm of planning, which is not bad at all. I mean, that's how I started out. I'm sure that I'll get back to that. I don't think that I won't get back to my roots at all. But yeah, it was important for me to come back and kind of show you guys, and this was like the best way to represent where I am in my planning style and in my planning journey right now. So I just wanted to come back, show you guys, and introduce you guys to my new little project that I'll be working on. And there's more stuff that I have to roll out. I have been planning, even though I haven't been making videos, I've been planning in my Hobonichi, which I did an unboxing of, and I'm gonna give you guys a recap on all of that. But yes, so I am a brand ambassador with Goals AF, and I want you guys to use my code so that we can have the same type of stuff. Or if you don't want to use my code, that's cool too. Anyways, let me know what you guys have been doing and what you guys have been up to down below. I will answer any questions that you may have, and I'll link this website and their Instagram down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys really soon. Believe it or not, I will. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.